not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:36 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Occoquan Bay, nearly stationary. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Indian Head, Occoquan Bay, Mason Neck State Park, and Leesylvania State Park. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.